everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add playlist music frame on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. In this, at the menu you can swipe until you can see effect. This one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe until you can see until you can see this one. This is the hamparan, so you just click on it, and after this you can swipe until you can see this one. You just click on it, and after this you can click done. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Okay, and finish. So that's how to add playlist music frame on VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.